Hello everyone, welcome to my Perkins generator maintenance tips. So this Perkins generator, this first part of my this one, let us use this one as an introduction. So this Perkins generator, I will need to show you some things on it, so that will be useful for you and to let you know how you can manage your generator. Let's start from the main trellis board. This is our trellis board. I think you see that we have three buttons. We have stop, we have auto, and we have start. So when we talk of start, you know what start means. And when we talk of auto, so when you put something to auto, that's you know what it means. And when you talk of something to stop, so that means you want to shut down the gen. This is breaker. So when you bring it down, you hold the light, and when you carry it up, you on the light. That's the function of this. I will still come back on this trellis later to show you some function and to show you how the trellis work. This is our charging alternator for the gen. This is radiator where to put water. That's cooling system for the gen. We call it this one air filter. So this is where the engine bleed. This is kick, and also many things to show you here. Let's continue. Yes, this is our nozzle area. This is nozzle, this is nozzle, this is nozzle, this is nozzle, and this is our injector. We call it one solenoid. That's the one that shut down the gen whenever you want to stop the gen from the trellis. This is what trellis will command to shut down the gen. So and so forth and so don't forget to go to my second tutorial so to still know more about Perkins generator. Thank you. You are welcome.